Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bob Waldron. In this video we're going to be taking a look at Games Workshop's Death Guard, the Biologus Putrifier, if I've pronounced that right. Nice new miniature here for the Death Guard. Let's just open this up and let's take a look at the miniature inside. So inside we get one full sprue here. Having a look at the sprue nice and close, we've got all sorts of, again, absolutely smashing detail that you would expect from all this new Death Guard range. We can see a little bit of flash just going around the edges, nice and easily sort of tidied up with a blade or something like that, but not bad at all, pretty sort of standard. We've got all sorts of tentacles and daggers going on. We've got his arms here with all sorts of lovely plate detail going on there. We've got all these sort of vials and everything that sort of hangs down off of him. We've got his the rest of his body just here. Turn this over, or again all that lovely sort of armor work of like old bullet holes and rust holes and all sorts of stuff coming out of their armor. We've got his helmet just here, which has like 3 eyes, which is quite interesting. So what I'm going to do now is going to build this and see how it goes together. So it's all been nicely built, and as always with these new Death Guard, went together like a glove. No issues at all, and hopefully you can see there's no sort of leftover gaps or anything from pieces going together. It's all gone together really snug. The details all there. We've got all these vials which are like blight grenades, and it's kind of funny how it sort of looks like wings as well, like angel wings, but in a Death Guard kind of form. So rather cool. Now the actual instructions you get with this, they are really sort of easy to follow. There are some sort of slight parts of the rules at the bottom, no biggie, but again really easy to follow, no real issues. The rules for the Biologus Putrifier is around about 75 points ish. I forgot how much it was, but it's around about 70 something points. His stats, you know, he's got some sort of standard, you know, 3+ on the weapon skill, ballistic skill. He's got 4 wounds and 3 attacks. Now, what makes this guy unique is he's got this whole sort of, he's just full of grenades, and he's got like hyperbolic grenades, and he sort of benefits Death Guard around him. Now, he's got a injector pistol, which is only range free, so he's got to get in close with that, so sort of like a close combat pistol. It's strength 4, -1 AP, but it does a nasty D6 wounds. It is a plague weapon, so you get that re-rolls of 1s in the wounds, but the damage characteristic changes to 1 if attacking vehicles. Plague knife, crack grenades, but then he's got these hyper blight grenades, which is very similar to the normal blight grenades, apart from it's 4 strength and it's 2 damage, right? And it's also got a special ability of each wound roll of a 6 made with this weapon inflicts a mortal wound on the target in addition to any other damage. So that is a really nice sort of touch. But what he also has is these 2 sort of special abilities, which is the pestilent explosion. If you kill him, basically on a 4+, everything within 7 inches suffers 1 mortal wound. And he's got these blight racks, which is like, you know, all these grenades on his back. Basically, it increases the strength and damage characteristics of all blight grenades carried by friendly Death Guard units by 1 whilst they are within 3 inches of the Putrifier. So you know, it's something you want to, it's just going to nicely support your Death Guard units, keep them nice and close, and it sort of basically kind of upgrades all your Death Guard units to have these hyperbolic grenades, which is rather cool. And they also get that nice ability of any 6s they roll for wounds, do a mortal wound as well as the normal damage. So really does sort of like grenade up your Death Guard rather nicely, and he's a nice figure to sort of throw in there also. I do like him. I do like how he does combine with the foul blight spawn as well just here. If you check out his rules, it works well with him also. So yeah, really cool model. Around about I think I paid something like £15 or something for it, so not bad indeed. So hopefully you've enjoyed our little inbox review of the Death Guard Biologus Putrifier. So until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.